What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a drill type beat in FS3. Actually I'm not gonna show you how to make a drill, I'm going to make you how to master a drill type beat in FS3 mobile. Make sure you subscribe guys, comment down below, tell me what you think about this video. Yeah man, it's a simple tutorial, not that long, but I hope you learn 1 and 2 from this video. And yeah man, let's just make this tutorial. And by the way guys, help me reach 1k before the end of this month. I'll be very grateful to all who subscribe to my channel and like all my videos. Thank you. Without wasting any further time, let's jump straight to that drill beat. Yeah guys, as you can hear, I started with the guitar yeah, and then I had to add the compressor, multi-band compressor, to check the highs and the lows. If I see that the sound, any instrument, any sound, maybe a kick, a clap, or what is exceeding other, then I will go and decrease it. And another thing I realized guys, that there is this one sound that is making a lot of noise, which has a lot of high frequency. It is distorted GM synthesizer, so I had to go to band 4 on my FX equalizer, cut the highs, and check any thing that I could manipulate on the synthesizer, just so that it doesn't destroy the whole beat. And I heard that the 808 slides, they are kind of like I overdid it. Yes, that I couldn't master when I was recording this video, but I noticed that problem. thank you so much, guys. If you watch this video to the end, shout out to you, man. You'll be the first one to get a drum loop or a melody loop that I'm about to drop very soon. As long as we reach 1k, I'ma drop free loops, you know what I'm saying. So anyways, see you in the next video. I got tons of tutorials.